The second part of Lecture Series 17 on IAS 24, Related Party Disclosures, looks at situations in entities related to a reporting entity. An entity is related to a reporting entity if any of the following conditions apply. 1. The entity and the reporting entity are members of the same group. This means each parent, as in this example, being Company A, subsidiary, Company B and C, and fellow subsidiary, Company D, E, and F, are related to each other. Please note that Company B is the parent of Company D, and Company C is the parent of Company E and F, with the ultimate parent of the group being Company A. 2. One entity is an associate or joint venture of the other entity, or is an associate or a joint venture of a member of a group, for example, Company D, for which the other entity is a member. Thus, the associate or joint venture is also a related party to Company A, B, C, E, and F as well. 3. Both entities are joint ventures of the same third party. In this example, Company A being the third party, joint venture A and joint venture B that are jointly controlled by Company A are all related parties. 4. One entity is a joint venture of a third party and the other entity is an associate of the third party. Thus, in this example, Company A, the joint venture, and the associate are related parties. 5. The entity is a post-employment benefit plan for the benefit of employees of the reporting entity or an entity related to the reporting entity. If the reporting entity itself is a plan, the sponsoring employers are also related to the reporting entity. 6. The entity is controlled or jointly controlled by a person or a close member of the family that has control or joint control or significant influence over the reporting entity, or that person is a member of the key management personnel of the reporting entity or parent of the reporting entity. 7. A person that has control or joint control of the reporting entity has significant influence over the entity or is a member of the key management personnel of the entity or parent of the entity. And finally, 8. The entity or any member of a group of which it is a part provides key management personnel services to the reporting entity or the parent of the reporting entity. It is essential when deciding if two parties are related, substance over form should be applied. IAS 24 notes the following should not be considered related parties. 1. Two entities just because they have a director or other key management personnel in common. 2. Two joint venturers just because they share joint control of a joint venture. 3. A customer or supplier with whom an entity transacts a significant volume of business. The final part of Lecture Series 17 will look at disclosures as set out in IAS 24 and government-related entities. Till next time, thank you.